Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change the background color theme or your overall theme in your Proton Mail inbox. So let us get started and guide you through this. Head over to Proton Mail and log into your account. Let me just close that email draft here and guide you through this. So basically what you need to do, guys, is click on that gear icon in the top right corner next to your username. And after that, click into all settings here. And what you want to do after that is pay attention to that panel here on the left side and click into appearance. And there you go. As you can see here under appearance, you'll be given access to a pretty huge list of themes like daytime themes or night themes. And Proton Mail features actually quite a lot of these themes, not only one simple standard light and one simple standard dark theme, but 8 of these and 8 also of these. So simply select the one you would like to use. So let me go with that night theme here, or you may go with that one, or with that a daytime, or that one, and so on and so forth, guys. So you may play around with these as much as you like, and yeah, pick your preferred background theme. And these preferences are being saved instantaneously. So that's how it works in practice, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.